Have you ever felt like your life is stuck in a loop, spinning endlessly without direction? Many people struggle with this feeling as though they are trapped in a maze with no exit in sight. But what if I told you that the key to breaking free lies not in changing your circumstances, but in transforming your mindset? Today, we will explore the reset method, a powerful approach for rebuilding your life when everything seems to stand still. It emphasizes a Stoic mindset and inner faith, encouraging you to reset and start anew, even when the world feels like it's against you. Imagine standing on the edge of a precipice, the winds of doubt and despair swirling around you. What do you do next? Drawing on ancient wisdom and principles of Stoicism, we can confront these feelings and emerge stronger than before. But first, let's take a step back. What does it mean to reset your life? To reset is to return to a baseline, to strip away the noise and distractions. It allows you to seek clarity amidst chaos, embracing a fresh perspective on who you are and what you want. The reset method encourages us to challenge our current beliefs and patterns. It asks us to confront the uncomfortable reality that sometimes the greatest obstacles are our own thoughts. The Stoic philosophers taught that we cannot control the events in our lives, but we can control how we respond to them. Think about that for a moment. Our suffering often comes not from our circumstances, but from our interpretations and reactions. In this light, we can transform pain into an opportunity for growth. The ancient Stoics, like Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius, believed in the power of our minds to shape our realities. They taught us that by examining our thoughts and beliefs, we can cultivate resilience and inner strength. This is the essence of the reset method, the recognition that we possess the power to start over, regardless of the difficulties we face. Let's now delve into the first step of this method, acceptance. Acceptance does not mean passivity. It is an active choice to acknowledge your reality without judgment. This step requires you to sit with your feelings and consider what they can teach you. Many people make the mistake of resisting their emotions, believing that to feel pain or sadness is a weakness. In reality, it is simply part of the human experience. Take a moment to reflect on your own life. What struggles have you faced recently? What lessons might they hold? Once you have taken the time to accept your circumstances, the next step in the reset method is reflection. Reflecting means examining the choices that led you to this point. Ask yourself, what patterns have you been following? Are these patterns serving you, or are they holding you back? Consider the relationships, habits, and beliefs that shape your daily life. Are they aligned with the person you want to become? The goal here is not to dwell on negativity, but to find clarity in understanding your journey. When you reflect mindfully, you gain insights that can spark meaningful change. At this moment, I encourage you to think about the possibilities that await you. If stories like these inspire you and you desire to uncover more reset method insights, subscribe now and hit the bell. You won't miss the next secret to rebuilding your life. How can you shift your perspective? How can you embrace this moment as an opportunity rather than a setback? Now, let's discuss the third step, intention. Setting clear intentions is essential for creating a new path forward. What do you want to achieve as you embark on this journey of rebuilding? This is the moment to dream big and focus on what truly matters to you. Your intentions should be authentic and resonate with your core values. One approach is to visualize your ideal future. Imagine waking up each day aligned with purpose and passion. What does that look like for you? As you set your intentions, remember to keep your goals specific and achievable. This creates a tangible framework for your aspirations, laying the groundwork for transformation. With your intentions in place, the fourth step of the reset method unfolds: action. It is not enough to think and wish for change. You must take concrete steps towards your goals. Begin with small, manageable actions that align with your intentions. As you progress, you will build momentum and confidence, propelling you further along your path. This is where the wisdom of Stoicism shines brightly. Each action, no matter how small, is a declaration of your commitment to personal growth. Remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the journey. Every setback presents a lesson, an opportunity to refine your approach. For instance, if you stumbled during this process, consider what went wrong and how you can adjust your strategy. Every moment offers a new chance to reset and realign. As we approach the final step of the reset method, let us discuss the power of community. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can be a tremendous asset on your journey. Seek out those who uplift you, challenging you to become the best version of yourself. Sharing your ambitions and struggles can foster a sense of connection and accountability. You are not alone in this journey, and opening up can ignite inspiration and support from others. This leads us to the essence of faith. Faith is a crucial element in the reset method. It does not merely refer to religious faith. It encompasses a broader sense of belief in yourself and the process. You must trust that, despite the uncertainties, you will find your way. Embrace the unknown as part of the adventure. During challenging moments, remind yourself that this path of rebuilding is an ongoing journey. It is not about perfection, but progress. As you cultivate a sense of faith, paired with the Stoic wisdom of accepting what you cannot control, you will find the strength to continue moving forward. If the reset method resonates with you, like this video, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, share with someone who needs a fresh start, and comment. What's your first reset step today? Now pause and take a breath. Imagine how different your life could be if you embraced this reset method. If you committed to starting anew, holding fast to your intentions and faith amidst the uncertainty. Can you see the transformation awaiting you? Take a moment to consider how this message speaks to you. Does your heart resonate with the call to rebuild? Your journey is unique, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you envision. Now reflect on what lies ahead in your reset method journey. With intention, community, and faith in yourself, a new chapter awaits. A life rebuilt on Stoic wisdom and spiritual growth is not just a possibility, it is your potential.